Is turkey tail mushroom just another pet fad, or can it really help your dog live longer and healthier? Let's find out. Hey everyone, today we're reviewing PuppyLab Co's Turkey Tail supplement. If you've seen ads promising better immunity, fewer lumps, and more energy for your pup, you're probably wondering if this stuff actually works. Turkey tail is a mushroom that grows on dead logs worldwide. It's been used in medicine for over 1,000 years. The name comes from its colorful rings that look like turkey feathers. The key ingredients are called beta-glucans, which are natural compounds that help boost your dog's immune system. Think of them as tiny helpers that wake up your dog's defense cells. Here's where it gets interesting. A University of Pennsylvania study found that dogs with a serious cancer called hemangiosarcoma lived almost 200 days when given turkey tail, compared to just 86 days with no treatment. That's more than double the survival time. The mushroom doesn't cure cancer, but it helps the immune system work better. Research shows it can reduce inflammation, support gut health, and help dogs maintain energy as they age. PuppyLab Co's version contains 500 milligrams of turkey tail mushroom, plus reishi mushroom and probiotics. It comes as a bacon-flavored powder that you mix into your dog's food. They claim it helps with lumps, bumps, digestion, and overall energy. The product is available on their website and Amazon. One jar gives you about 100 scoops, and dosing depends on your dog's weight. Customer feedback is mostly positive. People report their dogs have more energy, shinier coats, and better digestion within a few weeks. Some owners noticed existing lumps getting smaller over time. A few customers mentioned their dogs had no trouble eating the powder mixed in their meals. However, results vary, and some dogs took longer to show improvements. Turkey tail is generally safe, but some dogs might experience mild stomach upset when starting. If your dog takes blood thinners or diabetic medication, talk to your vet first. Also, this is not a magic cure. It works best as part of a overall good care, including proper diet and exercise. Raw mushrooms can harm the liver, so only use processed supplements designed for pets. So, does PuppyLab Co Turkey Tail actually work? Based on the research and customer reviews, it seems promising for supporting your dog's immune system and overall health. It's not a miracle cure, but it could help your dog feel better and live longer, especially as they age. Just remember to use it consistently and give it time to work. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.